Yeah, Tarun, we can start now.
Okay. So, good evening, everyone. So, today we'll be starting uh, the session about Elementor. So, here Elementor is a plugin which is used to build a website more controlledly, like like WordPress itself not give the freedom to like build websites that effectively. So, we'll use this Elementor plugin to what we say building more effectively. So here I'm sharing my screen. So here today we are going to cover the Elementor, the topic of Elementor, and three building blocks. And here I think we have for like we don't get time to complete header and footer, right? So today we are going to discuss that header and footer also. So what is Elementor? So it is like a plugin which is used to build like pages easily, like drag and drop. So we don't need coding knowledge, or we don't need any other specific tools. Like the Elementor is itself enough for building an whole website. So here we can change the we can see the changes real time once we have edited in our website, like in our WordPress, in WordPress Elementor, just we have to click on save. So it will be reflected onto our website in within seconds. So here we don't need any prior coding knowledge for it. Just we have to drag and drop the templates session like sections, which I'll be showing you now. So the Elementor is it will provide more features than WordPress itself. Like it is a plugin, like it's just like an app which provide more features. So why we use Elementor? So default WordPress, WordPress editor has some design limits. So to overcome that design limits, we simply install this application like this plugin, which will give more creative control. So which default WordPress editor look like a text document, and the Elementor gives it like a Canva, like a Canva feel. So it have like so many features like having style features, and it have responsiveness control and many other features which we'll discuss. So here what are the three building blocks of elements? So we have sections, columns, and widgets. So here the section is nothing but the large container in which we will be like inserting columns, and that in the inside the columns we'll be inserting the widgets. So here will be I'll be showing the sessions and the columns in real time. So these are the three main blocks of Elementor. So this is what about the blocks of Elementor. And the interface of Elementor, like you have seen previously, I think. So in Elementor we have left side a panel which contains the widgets and some toolbox, and the downside in the left side only, slide down, it has an update button. If we click on update, the changes will be updated itself. And in the right side, like right centered, it have a canvas where we can see our total website. Like we can edit, like we can drag and drop from toolbox to website. And downside we have a button panel where we can see like a responsiveness and history of the website, something like that. And here the most widgets, in Elementor there are some most widgets which we are going to use. These like using these widgets only we can complete the 90% of the standard websites. And other widgets, other like using some other widgets, we have like approx 10% or 15% of website. So here with header like heading and text editor, image, button, space by divider. So these are the five visits. Using this, we can complete almost like a whole website, and some other small widgets we are going to use in here and there in the website, which will complete our 100% standard website. So these are like five most used tools like widgets in Elementor. So what is header? So here, header is nothing but it is the top section of website which appears on every single page of the website. Like if we open any website, if we go to n number of pages, every page it has header, and typically it contains logo and navigation, like navigation menu. So think of it like here we have like think of it as the main entrance and sign up for a building. So through using header, we can go to different pages, and if it is just like any subscription model website or any website like Amazon or Netflix, like that, it is like clicking on sign up, we can directly enter into the main block of the website. So header is something that, and what is, so the header is the bottom section which contains details, like basic details of the website, like contact info, location, and coming to other, it contain quick links, like quick links to the some important sections of the website. So it appears to every website, like most of websites come like having this, and it's just like a business card of a website, like it content important stuff of a website. So like it also contain the privacy policy links, and like copyright info and contact info. So here we can add our social platform links also. And like why these global parts are essential, like they provide consistent navigation for users, they establish brand identity, they build trust and professionalism. A website feels broken or incomplete without them. Like without header and footer, they feel like we can't trust the website. Like if they won't work like good on their website, like people don't trust. Like once seeing the website, we feel like what is this website? It don't look that professional. It look like waste. Like they just dump the content. There is not a navigation platform, like navigation streamline and that all. So that's the reason. Like these two sections are like mandatory for every website. And how header and footer are like work in WordPress. So header and footer are like global parts. You design them once, and the WordPress shows them everywhere. Like at the time of designing, we keep a option on, like enable for all pages. Once we on that option, it will be enabled for all pages present on the website. And like this separates your site frame and from the unique content on each page. Like it is separated from the pages, like it is uh, upside of the pages, like it's constant, won't change for any like any page of the website. And like building a header, the concept, like to build a header, just we have to take a new template in elements kit. The like header content, like header have a logo, and it contains a menu section right side. So like a left side logo, right side menu section. If we have any, like if we want to keep any contact us like sign up buttons, we can keep right side itself at the end of the menu. So like we have to, like step one is create a header template in elements, like Elementor, add logo and navigation menu widgets, align elements, like align the logo to left and menu to right, as I said. Like next, set the display conditions to entire site. As I said, we enable the header to whole site. So this is how we are going to build the header. And like building a footer is just same as header, but footer contains some more info. Here in footer, like just we create same as header only, just we create a new footer in elements kit. We choose the columns and layouts, like what is the information you are going to provide in your header, like sorry, footer. So footer, we are going to provide a logo. Below logo, we have small description about the website, and this is what it's going to be there in left side. And coming to center, we keep quick links and some important, like if we have any products, like if we are going to provide any products, we are going to keep the product links. And coming to like in the left section only, below the below the description of logo, we keep social links, like social platform links, adding the what we say icons of the platforms. We just keep the links. So once we click on the link, like logo, it's redirect to the social platform. And coming to center, we have like quick links. And coming to right side, we can keep map, and we can keep some contact info of our website, like contact info of our company. Like we can keep contact number, contact mail, like support mails. And we can keep if you have any newsletter, you can keep a newsletter sign up form also. So this is what basically a footer contains. And like designing for every skin, like Elementor, especially Elementor gives flexibility to design modern type websites. Like we can control the website on every screen. Like we can control what should be displayed on like what should be displayed on PC, what should be displayed on tab, and what should be displayed on mobile phone. So here header, like here header must use a mobile friendly like hamburger menu, so we can control the what we say like phone menu also perfectly in Elementor. And a footer text must be large enough to read on the screen. Like here some rules should be like if we keep footer and header content very small, we can't read, like readability will be decreased, which causes the trust also, like it will decrease the trust from customer also. So we have to keep a visible size of the text, like visible size to the text. So these are some designing principle, like designing these are some designing principles of the every screen. And coming to common mistakes to avoid in building this header, footer, and general. So like too tall, too many menu items. Like we don't have to keep like too tall is nothing but taking more height to the menu. We have to keep, like we have to keep certain amount of height only. We don't need, like we don't have to increase more than that. And we have to keep limited, limited items only in the menu, which are going to be important to the menu. And if you align, like if your alignments are poor, it's going to be a fault of decreasing visitors, and they don't think it's a professional website. So the professionalism will be decreased. And coming to footer, we don't have to keep much text and unreadable fonts. We have to keep a like useful text and useful links. And we have to keep the readable fonts. And if missing contact info, it's the like footer is mandatory to keep the contact info. And generally forgetting to check menu and tablet views, so we have to check especially like menu and tablet like views to see how our website is. Like we create firstly on the PC only, so it is definitely optimized for PC, but we have to check mobile and tablet views also. So it should be efficient for the mobile and tablet like users also. So we have to check that also for how it's showing for them. And here now we are going to see in practical about Elementor and the header footer. So I'll be logging into my dashboard. So we are on our dashboard. So this is Elementor. So now we are going to see the dashboard of Elementor. So as we see in your PPT, this is going to be like this is the tool stack and widget section, and this is our canvas. So here we can find some like tools and if we click on this, here we can find revisions like what we have seen, like history of the website, like what we have edited previously. So here we can see revisions. So 3 days ago we have edited this website, and here we can see the all the things. So this is how the website in first, and this is how now. So here we can find that also, and once click on this, so So here, so have we like we have seen like how to edit this like homepage also on the previous day, and now like I'll be explaining the we have seen like three building blocks, right? So I'll be discussing about that also. So here this is going to be the section. This total this is called as section, and in that we have containers. So in that containers we can add like subsections also. Like if you want to add a headline, you just add here the subsections. So here in this way we can add them, and I think we have done this in the contact and about us page, right? We have taken the text on this, and we have adjusted the placements of this, and we have like on that day I have told you to build two websites or like 3 pages also, right? So here today we will be going to discuss some more like what we can do with this dashboard. So here, as we seen, using heading, image, text editor, button, and divider with spacer, and I think another one which we are going to like we are missing it. So here, so using that five widgets, we can build a whole website. Simply how like I'll be showing you a sample website. Like if you take any website example, like if you take so if you take this website as an example, so here this is going to be header. In header we have a logo. This is text, like this is an menu. These are social icons, like this is cart. So leaving about cart. Here this is the section. In this the video is playing, and these are like this is uh, text editor. This is heading. This is text editor. Like we have missed the button. So this is like here button. And again, this is a section in which we have the text editor. And this is text editor, and this is image like icon, text editor, icon, text editor, icon. So this is basically this is with for this they have taken like I think I have shown you right icon box. So they have took icon box. So to like build this, and coming to this, this is like text editor. This is an image. This is button, and the same way this is totally text. This is also totally text. The text, and this is going to be an image. If you click on this, this is image, and here this is heading. This is text editor, image, like these are the image text boxes. Like if we enable the e-commerce, like in that like WooCommerce we have this all this, and coming to this this is the image and this is text. So you can see here the total website is built with approx the like five widgets. Here in between they for here like in between they use space like spacer for adding the space, and the divider for dividing the sections. So coming to other pages, like if you see who are we, just we have seen the about section, like we have built like this only for about also. So here they have took a section, they have keep the background image, and on that they have added an like a image like a text editor, and below that they have added a heading, and here basically this is an image, and this side is text. So coming to this, these are icon boxes. This is heading. So basically if you see the whole website is built on the five widgets only. So you can think like you can see right using the just five widgets the how we are going to like how we building this total website. So here we have to like we have to be with good designing skills. If you have like good designing skills and good test, you basically you can just use this. Give me a minute. Sorry, guys. So, so here, just simply using that, what we say, the 5 widgets which I've shown you, just simply using that 5 widgets, we can build any type of website. Like, just we have to first take any design template. Like, we have to design any template starting, like how should be like, how should be header, like how should be header look like, how the hero section should be look like. If you want to keep any video like this, so you have to like first pre-build the template, like pre-build the total website design, and then come into WordPress and start designing. So it will be more easy for you to build a website in that way. If you directly come onto the WordPress and start building, just it will create unwanted confuse to you, and it feel like a mountain which we are trying to climb. So to keep it straightforward and simple and easy, just you have to first design a website by taking inspiration some of websites, and just build total front page of the website, then come on to the WordPress, start building the website. It will be more easy for you to build any type of website. So here I think you have got the idea just how we are how we build this type of websites just using 5 or 6 widgets mostly. So here if you take this website also, I just took a section in that I'll be dumping header, and below that I'll be dumping text editor. This will complete my hero section by editing the like adding the stuff and all. It will be completed. And coming to down here, if you see, they have kept some icons. If you take any other website example, if you take um, if you take any schools, any template. Example, schools in which one? Hyderabad. Then Italy. So here. So here you can see they simply built like a slide by they taken hero section. Here they have clipped like a fade animation for the hero section, and down they have kept like view collaborations, like they have keep a icon scroller, like this is simply an image scroller, like you can take from here in WordPress also. Like if you go down, Like you can see client logo. Just we have to take it and where it came here. So I'll delete this here. Client logo. So here just simply we have to add the logo of the uh, like clients. If I have anything like we have this ISB logo. So yes. So I'll be adding multiple times the single logo to show you. So here after this slide style, like we can slide them like normal, general or banner type. And coming to settings here, uh, slides show. Just we have to set up the settings, whatever settings you want to add. And if you want and some animations like on hover, if you want any animations on hover, you can just directly come here and uh, like you can control the overall hover settings like animations also. And in advanced settings, like you have margin is nothing but something like it is the outer part of the container, and padding is nothing but the inner part of the container. Like so, you can see this is the inner part. You can see the like green color, like sorry, a purple color like this line. So inside line, the logos are being small and big. If you take this margin, total section is becoming small and big. So here, this is the outside section. We can control here the size of the section. We can control overall section. And coming to this is it can be controlled inside the section. So this is nothing but controlling it in CSS. Like coming to coding, we have like it is useful in controlling like padding margin. Here just simply we have to drag and drop, like we can control the single side also, like left side, right side, in this way. Whatever you want to control, you can control the size, like spacing and all. And coming to width, you can use like as we have seen the like building in header section, we can control. And here for every control, we have like three options. We can control on desktop, we can control on tablet, and we can control on phone. So here, as your wish, we can control. And coming here, we have responsiveness. So here we like if you want to show this section on only desktop and hide on the mobile and tablet, you can just on this. So it will be off on tablet and mobile. It will be shown on only desktop. If you on this both, it will be shown on all. So this is about responsiveness. And here coming to like if you want this in this size in the like what we say in desktop, and if you want something small, so if you want in this way, you can just keep this like this is on tablet, right? So in tablet it will be shown like this. And coming to like if I click on publish, in tablet it will be shown like this. In desktop it will be like you can see in desktop there is no padding, like this is zero. Coming to this, you can see, right? There is 34%. Like we can control as our wish. Like we can control the margins, paddings, width, everything. Like if you want to control the height also, you can control. And if you want to control the border radius, you want to like you can control it also. And if you want to control the occupancy, like the hover occupancy on mobile and laptop and like a desktop and a tablet, you can control. Like this is the things the Elementor gives more than the WordPress itself. So this enables more features, and this is how we can take the logos. And like this is slide, it will simply slide. So the simple way, like we can create this, and this is a button again. So this is like we like this. I think this is built on code. We'll see. Like I have told you, right? How to log into any WordPress dashboard. Like yeah. So this is built on code. So anyway, code will give more than WordPress, but here WordPress also gives most of the features. Like we can build this type of also in WordPress, but in advance. Like if you go in advance, you can build that type of things also. We'll take any website which is built on WordPress. So for that, like we'll go like we'll take St. Peter's only school website or Birla Open. Birla. Website or not? I will have to check. So I'll be finding you an website which is built on WordPress, and then I'll show like how they build. So for now, as I said, like you have enough knowledge and enough tools to build a standard like a well-designed website. So you like with this knowledge, you can build a maximum of websites like the basic standard websites or mid-range websites simply. And in advance, like you can use more things like Google Maps. And coming to other things like you can use these tabs. Tabs is a section. If you see this St. Peters Shantiniketan, in that you have seen, like I have shown you about page. If you remember about page, if you remember the about page, in that about page, we have like headings, like there are subheadings in right side. I'll show here. Yes. So you can see this, right? There are subheadings in right, like left side, and the matter is right side. If you click on vision mission, like you can see, wait a minute. Yeah. If you click on vision mission, it directly shows vision mission, like you can see vision and mission. And if you click on leadership, it will show the leadership. So these are known as tabs. Like if you take this tab section, yeah. So taking tab section, and here we have two flex box, yes, full width, items, we'll keep like this, and additional options. And coming to style, sorry, this. Uh, so now we have got that. So here, here in additional settings, you just is that, yeah. Yeah. So here, just you have to like direction, you have to change the direction. It will come this side. And coming to these effects and all this, and coming like you can just open this. Here you can directly just add a heading, here heading, and then a text editor, and here then add an image. So simply we have built this type, like we have built this section here. So here just see, I haven't added the content, but simply this is a section. Like you keep this, okay, done. So if you in justify content, just you have to click start. It will be started from here, and here you can adjust the width and all. Coming to style, in style you can control these colors and these colors, and about like heading size and all. And here from here you can change the title, like here I'll change about. So the first one will be about, and the second one will be like vision mission. So basically, I'm just showing you the templates. I'm not building the total website. I'm just giving you an idea, and the widgets which are going to be used in the like building this type of websites. So I want you to take these widgets and build build a website, like build the sections by yourself, by exploring the this style, in style, by exploring this like padding, the all the things, and what is a typography, colors, and all this. So you will get more knowledge, like the you will gain more practical knowledge. If I show here and you leave it, it won't make sense. So that's the reason I'm just showing how to use them, but I am not like I'm showing it. I'm not like I'm telling it in detail, but I'm not doing it here. So I'm letting you to take the just go use the sections, build the total section, and build the total page. So coming here, if you click on this, it's like active is nothing but on which page you are redirected, like on which page, like which tab you are there. It will control that tab over like these colors. So from here you can change color, from here you can change typography on all the things. So here this also, like in tabs also, you can change this. Here it is background color is like green, right? You can change it to black, like whatever color you want, you can change it. So this is what, like here on hover, here hover also it's changed. You can see. If I take this to black, it's like black. Normal, this is something like normal. And more or like the other settings, like other settings are same for all pages, like advanced is same for all pages, just style and content will be changed page to page. So you just see this section, the simple, just you have to take that tabs and just dump the content. This section is completed. And coming to other sections, like you can find plenty of sections here, free sections. So image scholar, this is gallery, this is icon list. Here just using icon list, you can create the lists. Like here keep the icon and just keep any content random, like whatever content. Like if you want to show the features of like what like what is the school going to provide you, a peaceful atmosphere, a friendly natural, like we have more what we say, if you have more trees and all, you can keep about that. We have a spacious ground. We have assigned like trained professional teachers. We have like digital classrooms. Like we can list that features using this list, like icon list. And coming to more, you can see the testimonials, the alert, and using shortcode, you can just take the fonts. This is sidebar. This is read more button, like that. And if you go down and down, you get more, like you get more and more these widgets. So here we have countdown timer also, and we have image box. Like we have so many of widgets here. Just go and check whatever you want to check. Like go and take that widget, just use it, and you'll get a rough idea on it, so that you can use more fluently. And this is what about the Elementor. So here it provide drag and drop widgets. Just you have to drag it, change content and use it. So this is what about the Elementor. So and here coming to the header, I have told you on the day one or day two to install the Elements kit. In Elements kit, you can find this header footer. Just we have to go to the header footer, and here it shows some things, like you keep on pressing next, 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 like complete setup. It just take roughly 3 to 4 milliseconds or like thing. Here basically my internet is somewhat slow. That's why it's taking much time. If your internet is good, it will it will become fast only. So once it's done, just we have to click on header and footer. So like building for header and footer also, it shows like similar. It gives drag and drop widgets for building header. Long. Yeah. So after clicking on header and footer, the page will be opened like this. Here, as of now, we don't have any header and footer. So if you click on header, there is no header. And if you click on footer also, there is no footer. So I'll be clicking on header and I'll click on add new template. Here I'll keep main menu and this will be for entire site and edit content. So as of now, this is deactivated, like deactivated. Once the editing is completed, I will be activating it. So add main menu, edit content. So it will take you to Elementor dashboard once again. Uh, First, I think we on day two or day one, we have built like we have created menu, right? So now we'll be adding our pages to that menu. You can find menu in appearances. So if you go to here, you can find menus. You click on menus. So, so I think on that day, we don't have much pages. So here, there are only two sample and that. So here today we are going to add this contact and about also. So I'll be adding it to menu. So it is added. So let it be. So I'll be saving this. So here, this is how it will be like. I'll be clicking on uh, Flexbox and I'll be taking this second one. So now I will be keeping here image and in image I'll keep logo and next navigation. So after doing that, just select main menu. So we'll take simply this image, take image, and then take menu. So here, then you open on page. So you can see basic header is built. If we want to see this on our menu, like our home page, so here just you have to take two sections. Click on plus flex box, take these two sections, and here in one side take the logo and adjust the width of that logo, and you can adjust the like height also, and you can control the hover, like how it should be, like if you click, like if you hover on like mouse on that, how it should be performed. Like you can add the all the animations, like if you want pop, like this, like it will be pop on what we say hover. So like this we have some animations. Just you have to uh, uh, keep it, and you have to enable this all animations whatever you want. Just fix it with width and this using this margins and all. And here you can control the menu also. Here mobile, like you can also control this mobile menu also, like mobile login, and here icons, like you can control this icon, the icon you can see here, right? You can control this icon also. And once you publish it, just come back again here on it, activate it, save. So just click on save and come again here, go to sign.com. Yeah, you can see on our home page the simple menu is activated. So this is how we create, and this is the what we say, the client logo we have seen, right? Here we have built this, and here this is how you can see the animation also. So you can change all the colors and all. And coming to footer, as I is shown in PPT, the same way footer is also built. You click on footer, you simply add, like you click on add new template, change it to footer, like main footer, and for entire site edit content. So here simply for what we say, for building this footer, just click on this elements kit. Here go to category, like uh, keep on sections, and once it loaded, keep category as footer. Here you can see footer. You click on footer, you get some templates, like footer templates. Simply dump this template, like click on insert. Yeah, so the template is dumped here. Just change the content, and if you want any, like if you want to add any new things, just directly remove the section which you don't want and add the whatever section if you want. Like if you don't want this subscription and this all, and you want a Google Maps here, you simply remove this. Here, click on here, take maps, dump here. So simply you can customize this. So once customization is completed, like click on publish and come to like previous menu as here. Click on edit. Simply on it, save changes. And if you come here and if you reload it, so here footer is activated, you can see. So you have to just change the logo. As I said, we have logo, and below logo we have the description of the company, and we can keep here social icons. Here the quick links or useful links, and here you can keep maps or subscription, anything whatever you want, according to your website. And here down you have to add the email and contact info of the website, and you have to just simply change this from 2019 to 2026. And here just simply receive here company name and all rights received. Here you can keep privacy policy and that links, or just include that links here. And here you can keep developed by or something, anything if you want to keep like that. So this is what about building the what is Elementor, and building footer and header. So here you have line Elementor, like what is Elementor and everything about sections, columns, and widgets. And I have told you the header and footer also how to build it. So I think you have now understand the professional website structure. So your assignment um, as day before yesterday, like on the last session, I have assigned you to do 3 pages about home, contact. Now add this header footer to the pages and complete the whole page by tomorrow. By before tomorrow sessions, just Ashish will share the uploaded drive link to Ashish. So we'll evaluate, like we check how you are doing, how what is your performance, like what level you are doing. So this is what for the today section, guys. So I think we have got we'll be seeing, we'll be designing the whole website from next session, and more topics in WordPress, like Elementor and WordPress, what are important, like what are needs to be known for building a website, we'll be see on the next session. So this is what about the things which needs to be built at a standard website. Ashish?
Uh, yes, everyone. So today's lecture is over, and I have sent you the link to upload the task that was assigned day 3, and Tarun has assigned the task on day 4 as well. So you can use the same form to upload the assignments, and he will also share the resources afterwards. And I think that's all for today. Yeah, just complete the assignments and upload it using the form. Yeah, Tarun.
So there is a person asked like a question, how we can write in front of the picture just like in the contact us page. So I'll be showing it quickly. So just we have to take here from layout, we have to take a section. After taking the section, you can see the 6 dots. You have to click on the 6 dots. If you click on the 6 dot, you get the control of the this section. Here from layout, go to style. Here style, you will get background. Like here from background, just go to slideshow, and here you can add the images. So here add the images. Like if you want to keep a single image, you can keep single image, or if you want to keep multiple images, you can keep multiple images sliders. And after keeping that, come to layout and here adjust the height according to the image. So here I think for this 500, like 500 is enough. So I'll be keeping it like this. So after this, you can complete, like you can change all the transition effects here. And after doing this, simply click on the add button. And from here, you can add the text and the text editor. Simply text editor here. So this is how you can build this type of sections. So I hope you have cleared your doubt. Any
Okay.
questions from others?
Uh, if you have any questions, you can drop it here or in the Discord as well. So if you have any questions, drop drop them now. And yes, they do not have any questions, so I think we can end the second today's session, right, Tarun?
Yeah.
All right, so see you all tomorrow. Just complete your task and upload using the form that I sent you yesterday. Yep. And good night. Bye, everyone.
Bye everyone.